So in the third part of video we will discuss about the Sher Shah Suri. My dear student, Sher Shah was the son of Jagirdar of Sasaram in Bihar. His name was Farid Khan. He was known as Sher Khan because he single-handedly killed a tiger or sher. He was a great conqueror and extended his empire by annexing Punjab, Sindh and Multan. He also controlled Gwalior, Malwa and Rajasthan. He fought two battles against Mughal Emperor Humayun and defeated him. He extended the throne of Delhi in CE 1540 at the ripe age of 67. So now we will discuss about his administration. He introduced many reforms. In fact, he said that he looked after his people like a father look after his children. He was a liberal and secular ruler who did not discriminate between his subjects. He worked toward the welfare of his subjects both for Hindus and Muslims. He constructed Grand Trunk Road from Peshawar to Sonargaon. He built road from Agra to Jodhpur and Chittor. He also made travel comfortable. Sher Shah built sarais and wells at regular interval. He planted trees on the both sides of roads. He appointed special officers called Muqaddam for the safety of the travelers. Roads helped Sher Shah to establish good postal system and prompted inland trade. His roads and sarai have been called the arteries of the empire. He divided his empire into 14 provinces known as Sarkars. Then Sarkars were further divided into Parganas and Pargana into several villages. Each Sarkar was put under the charge of Shikdare-Shikdara and Munsife-Munsifa. Special officers were also appointed for the administration in every unit. He also reformed army on the larger scale. He himself recruited soldiers and paid in cash. He revived Dag and Chehra Pratha of Alauddin Khalji. His revenue system was very good. He fixed the rates of lands and also the yield assessed. Land was divided into different categories like good, average and bad on the basis of fertility and for the purpose of assessment. It was the wish of the farmer they could pay in cash or kind also. The tax was the 1/4 of the total produce. So though Sher Shah was strict in revenue collection, but he was liberal too. He introduced a system called Pata and Kabuliyat, which was an agreement for the revenue payment by the peasants. He was builder also. He built Purana Kila, a beautiful mosque, Kilae Khua Masjid. He also built his mausoleum at Sasaram in Bihar. He was famous builder. He built Rohtasgarh Fort. Sher Shah died in 1545 after ruling for the short period of 5 years. His successors were weak. In 1555, Humayun recaptured the throne of Delhi and once again became the ruler of India and ended the Afghan powers from India. So my dear students, with this your chapter is over. Your homework is to read the chapter thoroughly and find the exercises and write on the book. Thank you.